If someone has the misfortune of sustaining a significant injury in a motor vehicle accident, there are a number of do's and don'ts. The first thing that you should do is you should determine whether or not you need legal representation. And generally, the more serious the injury, the more likely it is that you're going to need to consult with an attorney. You need to make prompt application for no-fault PIP benefits that are payable under the Michigan no-fault law. You have to identify the right company that's responsible for those payments, and you have to get your written notice in compliance with the statute. You need to make sure that you are complying with all of the time limitations that are set forth in the no-fault statute to claim these benefits. With regard to a potential liability claim against the at-fault driver, you need to determine right away whether photographic investigation is necessary. Frequently, in serious injury cases, it's critically important to get to the scene in a prompt manner, photograph the scene, take measurements, look for physical evidence that may still be at the scene. You can rest assured that the insurance company that represents the at-fault driver has got their investigative team out there right away, interviewing witnesses, photographing the scene, measuring the scene. And that's why we have found in our 50 years of experience here at the Sinus Stramus Law Firm, the quicker the victim gets their team on the ground, the better the results. One of the biggest don'ts is do not speak with investigators or insurance adjusters for the at-fault party until you have first made a decision if you're going to have legal counsel. If you're going to have legal counsel, let your legal team have those discussions with the investigator or adjuster that represents the at-fault party. Don't do it yourself. The other thing that you should not do is never sign medical authorizations giving the insurer of the at-fault driver access to your medical records. Your lawyers will determine what records are sent to the insurance company for the at-fault driver and when they will be sent. It's important for the victim to control the flow of information. A personal injury accident is a very traumatic event, obviously, and there are a host of worries that folks have. And that's why, in the end, after you've consulted with medical people and are on the way to recovery, the most important thing you can do is make that decision. Do I need legal counsel to help me deal with the rest of this? And then if you decide it's better that you be represented, then take the appropriate steps to find the right attorneys who are really qualified in that particular area of law.